Hi everyone, welcome to our next lesson of ukulele. Today we're going to be going through a very well-known piece, one that you might even be familiar with. I'm not going to break the story just yet. Let's hear what this piece sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, and that right there is Greensleeves, the chord melody version. So we've done this before as a duet, but now you're going to be doing it as a solo musician, a one man, one woman ukulele player. So let's zoom into this and let's learn how to play this piece. So we're going to start off just by getting the chords. So what we start off with is a G minor. Alright, so middle finger on the second fret of the C, ring finger third fret of the E, index finger first fret of the A. You can strum the whole thing. But before the G minor, we actually have this note, doom chum. Alright, so we play that open G string, doom chum, and then you strum, doom chum. So you're going to hit that first one and then go for the next three, doom chum. And then we go to our B flat chord, which is the same as a G, but now you move it 1, 2, 3 frets. So the index finger is on the 5, ring finger on the 6, middle finger on the 5. And this one you strum from the index finger. But even if you strum from here, it's not too much of a problem, but this one sounds a bit more precise. So we start off with a G minor, doom chum, dun dun da da. Then we go beat to this F. So what I did there is my ring finger hasn't left this E string so far. So I slide my ring finger back, put my middle finger right on top of it on the same fret, and my index finger is on the third fret of the A. Alright? That's our F chord, same as this one. So let's go for it. Doom chum da 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 F, then D minor, our shortened version of D minor, which is, so D minor would be the middle finger on the second, ring finger on the second, index finger on the first fret of the E, and nothing on the open A. But this time we're just going to hold just our middle finger and index finger on the E, on the C, and the E string right there, alright? Because we're strumming those two. And sometimes we'll strum all three. You don't really need to hold that one for this song. So after that F, we go to that D minor. Alright? So let's put that all together so far. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Da 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 F, then D minor, then back to G minor, another G minor, and then a D major. Alright, so D major is just going to be a ring finger on the second fret of the E. So D minor was index finger on the first fret of the E, D major, second fret of the E. So make sure you know the difference, okay? So that second part is after that D minor, we go G minor, da, G minor, and then a D major. Alright, so that's the first half of the A section. So we go doom chum, da 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 F, then D minor, and then G minor, another G minor, and then D major, da dum. And make sure from D major you're strumming from that C string. Then the second half of the A section, we do the exact same thing. Do dum, da dum, da 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 da, D minor. But then we finish with 1 G minor, 1 D major, then 2 G minors, G minor. Alright, so the difference is that first half of the A section we did G minor, then D major, then D major. But the second half we go 1 G minor, 1 D major, then 2 G minors. Alright, let's put that A section together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Doom chum, da 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 da, then D major. Repeat. Da dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Our B section. So our B section, we start off on a B flat, but we're gonna have a different voicing. So we're gonna put our index finger in the exact same place where our ring finger was. We're gonna put our middle finger there, and our pinky is gonna be on the 8th fret of the A string. So it's 5, 6, 8, and nothing on the G string. That's how we start the B section. We go da, da. So that's a B flat, but with a high note. So da, da, then an F, D minor. All right. So after that F, we go to a D minor. All right. Da, we play twice. Da, then an F, D minor, then G minor, G minor, then D major, D major. All right. So after that, we just do the same thing: the G minor twice, then the D major. The same thing we did in that A section. So we go da, 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 F, D minor, then G minor twice, da, dum, then D major, twice. Then just go back up to the high B flat. Da, 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 da. We do the same thing that we did in that A section. G minor, D major, then G minor, da, da, da. Finish on a G major. So what I did there was I played the open A string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the A, and then strum a G major. All right. So da, da, da. So that second half of the B section will sound like this. Da, 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 G major. All right, let's put that B section together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Da, da, then an F, D minor, then G minor twice, da, dum, then D major, twice. Second half. Da, 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 F, D minor, 1 G minor, da, da, dum, then D major, then G minor, dum, da, dum. All right, let's put the whole song together with those chords. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Do, dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, da, dum, 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 da, da, dum, da, dum. Repeat. Do, dum, da, 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 dum, da, 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 dum. Second half. B section. Ba, da, 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 da. Alright, practice those chords because once you get them, the chord melody will be super easy. Because now let's bring in those notes within the chords. So we start off with that open G, do-dum, and we strum. Do-dum. You can use your finger or your thumb, whichever one works. Remember, finger style is always a little bit better because you get better with your fingers. So, do-chum. Then we put our pinky on the 3rd fret of the A, and then we strum that B flat. Then pinky on the 6th of the A, and then we go back to the middle finger. Da-da. So I'm still holding that entire chord shape. Da-da. Alright. Do-cha, da, B flat, da-da, F. Strum that F. Ba. Then I let go of my index finger on the A string. I play an open A, then D minor. Da-dum. Alright, and I'm only strumming the C and E string. Da-dum. So, ba, 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 F. Let go of the index finger. Da, D minor. So let's put that together. Do, chum, da, dum, da, da, F. Let go of the index finger. Da, D minor. Then I go, do, da, dum. I'm just playing the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E, open A, and then I strum that G minor. Do, da, dum. Alright. Do, da, dum, doom, doom. Then I come back to that ring finger. Doom. I play once, and then I strum the C and E string together. Dum, dum. Alright. Do, da, dum, dum, dum. So, ba, 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 Then I strum the D chord right there with that open A string. So I go da da dum. All right, da da dum. Then I come up da dum on the E, then the C string. So that would be da da dum dum dum. All right, so from here, pa 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 F. Let's go D minor, do da G minor, do strum da da D major, da dum. All right, let's put that whole first half together. 1 2 3 1 2. Doom chum pinky da B flat da da F da D minor do da dum do strum da do D major up up. Then we repeat the exact same thing again. Do chum da dum da da dum da dum do da dum. Same thing there. Do da dum. But now this is where it changes the ending of the second half. Do do. All right, so it was do da G minor, the third fret on the E. Then I take it to the second fret of the E. Bum. I strum that. Bum ba bum. That's the D chord. Then I play 0 2 3 3. All right. So do da strum 3 strum on the 2 0 2 strum on that G minor, and I'm only strumming the C and E string. Okay. So do da strum da da strum, only those two strings on the last G minor. Alright, so that second half is the same, starts the same way but ends differently. So it goes do cha da 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 dum do da 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 do dum da do dum. One more time. Do da strum da do dum. So right there I'm actually adding that note. Do da strum. I let go on the A string. Da do. Come back to the 0 3 on the E. So do da strum. Let go. Strum on the D. 0 2 3. All right. So I'm just adding that extra A string. Do da strum da do dum da da dum. Then I strum it again. So I strum it twice. All right, let's try that second half of the A section. Do chum da dum da da dum da dum do da strum da do strum da do strum. Strum again. All right, let's take it now from the A section, the whole A section. 1 2 3 1 2. Do chum da dum pinky F. Let's go D minor, strum, do D major. Then again, second half. Strum, 0 2 3 3. Now our B section. We just strum that twice. So we go da. So what I'm doing there is ring finger on the 7th fret of the A, then my index finger is barring so I can hold that 5th fret of the A. So that note is da, da, 7 5. All right. Da, da, 7 5 F. Let's go D minor. Same thing. Nothing changed there. Da, da, 7 5 F. Let's go D minor. The same move for that G minor. 3 0 strum, 3 strum, those two strings, do da strum, dum strum, 2 3 D major, up up. All right, so pretty much the same thing, just the ending is going to be different. Dum dum da da dum, let's go there. Do da strum G minor, 3 strum, 2 3 D major, up up, then repeat. 7 5 F. Let's go D minor. 3 0 1 0 3 2. The same ending we had there. 3 0 1 0 3. Strum on the D major, which means both fingers on the 2. 3 0 1 0-3, strum, 0-2, G minor. All right. Do da stum da do D major 0-2, strum on G minor, then open A, dum 3 G major. So that's the open A, pinky on the 3rd fret of the A, then G major, which is your index ring, and then middle finger, which you should know since day 1. All right, so let's try that whole B section. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bum, bum, 7, 5, F. Let's go D minor, G minor, strum, 2, 3, strum on D, up, then again. Bum, bum, ba, ba, F, da, dum, boo, da, bum, ba, ba, strum, 0-2, 3, 0-3, G major. All right, let's do the whole thing from the beginning, and I'll just say A section and B section. I'm not going to talk throughout the song, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, here comes the B section now. The ending. Let it ring. All right, so that is our green sleeves. We all know the melody. Now it's just adding those chords so that we can play it in its entirety all by ourselves. If our partner is sick or they're not there and we still got to do the gig, then you'll be able to handle it by yourself. So have fun practicing, and I'll see you next week.